Good morning class. We are again together to continue with the topic present continuous tense. As we have elaborated the topic before and now it's turn of its various forms. So here we are with various forms of present continuous tense. Students, we know, we have read that to make affirmative, what do? We go with subject plus is plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Like Riya is singing a song. But in order to convert it into negative form, with a negative word itself is telling that not word will be added in the sentence. Negative means not, means nahi. Riya is singing a song is an affirmative sentence. Riya is not singing a song. Now the sentence has become negative. Riya एक गाना नहीं गा रही है. नहीं word, we have already added the word not. Is it okay, students? And now in order to make interrogative, the word interrogative means to ask question, किसी से question put करना, and to ask question we need W family, but here we don't need W family and we have to convert the sentence into interrogative form. Then what do? We will put this helping verb at first place. Is it okay? This I will become capital. Is then subject Riya singing a song, sign of question mark. Don't forget to put the sign of question mark. Is it okay? Is Riya singing a song? We have seen the construction of sentences. Now let's do the formation of sentences. It will help a lot and will become easier to understand now. Affirmative sentence, we know that subject plus is MR according to the subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. To make negative sentence, what do? Simple subject similarly is MR plus not. Not what will be applied here plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Is it okay? Now in order to convert it into interrogative, what do? As I have told you that we will put helping verb at the first place. So is MR plus subject plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object, and last but not the least, very very important fact, plus sign of question mark will be applied here. For more elaboration, let's go through another example. Affirmative sentence. The clouds are thundering. कहता है बादल गरज रहे हैं. The clouds are thundering. And in order to make negative of this, the clouds are not thundering. बादल नहीं गरज रहे हैं. And to make interrogative, what do? We will put this helping verb at first place and subject will come after this helping verb. Are the clouds thundering? And sign of question mark, because we are asking a question, we are putting a question. क्या बादल गरज रहे हैं? I am sure students now this concept is quite clear to you. Don't forget to frame your own sentences and convert them into negative and interrogative of the affirmative form. Is it okay, students? Thank you, students. Good.